Welcome. If you want to transfer data from your Wiko Lenny 5 to the Android device, in this case this is Huawei P30 Pro, we have to open the application that we are going to use to transfer data, and I'm going to use the CLONEit. You can download this application from the Google Play Store. And right now we have to open it on both smartphones. And if you want to send data from Wiko, click on the sender and click allow, and receiver on the Huawei P30 Pro, click search again. Now our Huawei is looking for the Wiko. Here it is, click on the Android share icon, and now we can input the password. You can find the password here, but also we can scan QR code, so click on the tap to scan, then hold your phone and scan the QR code. Okay, and right now they are connecting. Accept the request on the Wiko, and as you can see, you can choose whatever you want to take from the Wiko to your Android smartphone. So click on the choose details, and we can probably go for the photos, or no, maybe for the application. Maybe we can transfer this game, Free Fire. So if you choose what you want, click on start, click OK, and right now it is importing. And right now click on the finished on both smartphones, and when we are going to our Huawei, we have to enter the CLONEit application and click install just to get this application. And click here on the install, enter the settings and click allow app installs, tap on the install. Okay, and click on done. And right now when we are going to our settings, as you can see here is our game Free Fire. So thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.